Hello, and welcome to Sunbreeze English Podcast. Your daily breeze for learning English through simple conversations, useful words, and easy listening practice. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn English, one breeze at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunbreeze English. My name is Joy.
And I'm Joe. Thank you so much for listening today.
This podcast is for people who are learning English.
Yes, we speak in simple English. We talk slowly. We talk about everyday topics.
And today's topic is something many people love.
That's right. Today we are talking about music.
More specifically, we are talking about our favorite musical artists.
Music is everywhere.
We listen to music at home.
We listen to music in the car.
Some people listen while studying.
Some people listen while cooking or cleaning.
Music is also a great way to learn English.
Yes, you can hear pronunciation. You can learn new words. You can learn feelings and emotions.
Joe, do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I do. I listen to music every single day.
Me too. Music makes my day better.
Same here. And right now, I'm very excited about a new song.
Oh, tell us more.
Okay, I'm excited to talk about the new music video by K2.
What is the song called?
The song is called All in One.
That's a nice title.
Yes, and the song features Snoop Dogg.
Wow, Snoop Dogg is very famous.
Yes, he is. He has been famous for a long time.
How does the song sound?
The song sounds cool and confident. It has a strong beat.
Do you like the music video too?
Yes, the music video is fun to watch. It has a lot of energy.
I like music videos because they help me understand the song better.
That's true. When you see the video, you understand the feeling of the song. Joy, what about you? What song are you listening to these days?
I am still obsessed with a song called Golden.
Oh, you really love that song.
Yes, I do. It's from K-pop Demon Hunters.
What do you like about it?
I love the melody, I love the voices, and the song makes me feel strong and happy.
That's great. Do you listen to it every day?
Yes, maybe too much. I listen to it in the morning and at night.
That's okay. Listening many times helps you learn English sounds.
Let's talk about some very famous artists now.
Good idea. One artist I really like is Bruno Mars.
Me too. He makes fun music.
Yes, his songs are happy and energetic.
What is one famous song by Bruno Mars?
A very famous one is Uptown Funk.
Oh, yes. That song makes people want to dance.
Another popular song is 24 Karat Magic.
Bruno Mars is great for English learners because his words are clear.
That's true. You can understand him easily.
Now let's talk about Taylor Swift.
She is one of the most famous singers in the world.
Yes, many people love her music.
She writes songs about feelings, love, and life.
One very popular song is Anti-Hero.
Yes, another famous older song is Shake It Off.
Taylor Swift's songs are good for learning stories in English.
And she uses everyday language.
Let's talk about Shakira now.
Shakira is amazing.
She has a very unique voice.
Yes, and she mixes many styles of music.
One famous song is Hips Don't Lie.
That song was popular all over the world.
She also did a very popular song with Bizarrap.
Yes, many people talked about it.
Shakira's music makes people want to move and dance.
Why do you think music is good for learning English?
Because you hear real English.
Yes, not textbook English.
You hear how people really speak.
You also learn emotion.
Happy songs, sad songs, excited songs.
And when you sing along, you practice pronunciation.
Joe, before we finish today's episode, I think we should talk about more artists.
I agree. There are so many great musicians in the world.
Yes, and many of them are very good for English learners.
Let's talk about some classic artists first.
Okay, let's start with Queen.
Oh, Queen is legendary.
Yes, Queen is a very famous rock band.
The singer, Freddie Mercury, had an amazing voice.
One of their most famous songs is Bohemian Rhapsody.
That song is very long and very interesting.
It changes styles many times.
Another popular song is We Will Rock You.
That song is great for crowds and sports games.
Queen's music is fun, powerful, and emotional.
Next, let's talk about Journey.
Journey is a classic rock band.
Yes, many people know their song Don't Stop Believin'.
That song is very hopeful.
People sing it together at concerts.
It's also easy to understand the words.
That makes it good for English learners.
Now let's talk about Whitney Houston.
She had one of the best voices ever.
Yes, her singing was very powerful and emotional.
One of her most famous songs is I Will Always Love You.
That song is very famous all over the world.
Another great song is I Wanna Dance with Somebody.
Whitney Houston's music shows strong feelings clearly.
Let's move to a more modern artist, Sam Smith.
Yes, Sam Smith has a soft and emotional voice.
One very popular song is Stay With Me.
That song is slow and easy to follow.
Another big hit is Unholy.
That song has a very different sound.
Sam Smith's music is great for listening practice. Are you a fan of Lady Gaga?
She is very creative.
Yes, she is a singer, songwriter, and actress.
One very popular song is Bad Romance.
That song was everywhere.
Another famous song is Shallow from the movie A Star is Born.
Her voice is very strong.
Lady Gaga's music helps learners hear clear emotion in English. Now let's talk about a newer group, KATSEYE.
Yes, KATSEYE is a global girl group.
They mix pop music with strong dance beats.
One popular song is Debut.
Another song people like is Touch.
Their songs are short, catchy, and modern.
That makes them fun for younger English learners.
Joe, it's interesting how everyone likes different music.
Yes, some people like old music.
Some people like new music.
Some people like pop.
Some people like rock or R&B.
All music can help you learn English.
Now it's your turn, listeners.
Please leave a comment below in this video or episode.
Tell us which artist you like the most.
Do you like Lady Gaga, Queen, or Whitney Houston?
Do you like Sam Smith or KATSEYE?
And tell us how music helps you learn English.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We're happy you're learning English with Sunbreeze English.
See you next time. Bye.